Hi, my name is John Fillingham, the project manager at Rough River Lake. We want to provide you with a quick update regarding ongoing activity at the lake. Due to elevated water levels, a generator has been temporarily installed right here at the dam's control tower to help pump excess water from the facility. If you're passing by, you may notice a significant amount of water being discharged from the tower. Please rest assured this is a planned and controlled operation. There is no cause for concern. This dam maintenance is scheduled to begin this afternoon, April the 7th, and may continue for several days. We want to emphasize that there is no immediate safety concerns at Rough River Dam. The dam is functioning as designed, and there is no imminent threat of failure. Our team is actively monitoring conditions 24 hours a day and remains committed to keeping the public informed as we manage this high water event. For your safety, please avoid restricted areas near the dam and follow all posted signs and barricades. Thank you all for your cooperation and continued support.